Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Injector Pressure Regulator Valve, also known as the IPR valve. This specific valve is going to fit the Ford Powerstroke 7.3 liter diesel engines, and this valve is a direct replacement for the factory valve. So let's take a look at the valve. If you notice here, it has a cover here to cover the valve. You're going to want to make sure you remove this before installation. You'll see that there's two O-rings that come factory installed here. When you go to install this part, you want to make sure you put a light coat of oil on both O-rings to prevent any tearing or creasing of the O-ring. And over here, you'll see that there's also a dust O-ring here to prevent any sort of dust, dirt, grime, oil, anything like that from getting into the electrical connector. Again, this is going to be a direct replacement for the factory valve. You're going to remove the factory valve, lightly coat the O-rings on here with oil, and then reinstall this in its place.